Hey guys, it's Emma the Creative Gem back with another video, and it is that time of year again. Merry Christmas everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how I decorate my room for the holidays. I get most of my decor from all over the place. If it matches, I buy it. This year though, I'm recycling all the home decor. It was just too pretty not to use again. But for now, I'm going to show you how I decorate for the holidays, along with a few DIYs I did myself. But first, I'm going to start with a blank canvas. There's nothing like a fresh new start. So here, I put all the old home decor items in the attic, brought all the new down, and now I'm ready to decorate. So this is the current state of my bedroom. It gets super messy when I'm doing a new thing because I'm trying to decorate. But actually this looks relatively clean because I did try to clean my room before decorating. So all I have to do is put up the decorations or the decor items, and then everything's pretty much ready to go. All I have to do is vacuum. But over here is my laundry basket slash trash can cover. It's a little old, but it's okay. So I'm still going to use this. I put my trash can, which is over here, inside here to cover it up because it's old and I like the bigness of it. And then that one's going to go in the attic. And then I have a rug here, a little area rug, some wrapping paper. I got this wrapping paper from IKEA. I might use that wrapping paper to cover this up. I'm not really sure yet, but over here I have my little Christmas tree. I'm going to have another one that's going to go over here. Then this is a dress from Guess. This dress is actually going to go up top here. I put the dress here, then I put my Christmas tree here, and then these two are bookends, and then I put my candle here, and also some picture frames. So that's how I decorate that area. I'm going to show you how I do that. And then my chest of drawers, I also updated the knobs, so they're not the black ones that they default give you. In this bag, we have my Christmas wreath that I use every year. Gonna fluff that up a little bit. Got that from Five Below. Got my stocking in here, some other stuff. So as I decorate, I'll tell you where I got everything and what it is. To decorate the hutch, the process is pretty simple. First, I added a little sparkle by using my dress. I'm using it as a background for my little tree. I placed my little white tree on top, then placed a bookend on each side. I then added my picture frames and candles. I'm actually just going to put it right up here. And these picture frames are also from the dollar store, and also the pictures inside are from the dollar store. These are also, I think these are empty cards. No, they're blank cards, and I simply put the cards inside the frame, and then voila. Alright, now that the top is done, it's time to start the bottom. I'm just going to add some personalized items like my magazine case, my beachy stuff with sand, my necklace stand, and of course my little collection of perfumes. So I'm pretty much done decorating this area. I finished it off with some stockings and some little fairy lights on the top. Alright, next is my little Christmas tree. I have two in my room, but this is the big one, and this is where I put all my little presents underneath. Now, originally I think this tree was white, but now it's like a gorgeous beige, white, off-white type of looking tree. It still looks pretty cool. It glows like a candle, but I think it faded over time. I got this cute little plush fake fur rug from Primark. I believe it was like only like $10 or something like that, and I'm using this as a tree skirt. So this DIY was inspired by wrapping paper. I actually had some left over and I decided to do a quick DIY with it since the wrapping paper did match my room. I did create a separate video on this, so if you want to check it out, the link is in the bio. So this is another wrapping paper DIY that I did. I've actually been doing this DIY for years, and basically I cut paper, slide it into the plastic bins, and this is basically to cover up all that junk. I also made sure to fold my paper over so I could have several copies of each template. Slid them right on in and just trim the tops. I repeat these steps all the way to the top. So the next and final DIY is me jazzing up this wreath. I got this wreath from Five Below, and I'm just adding some fairy lights inside. Because we all know there's nothing wrong with a little bit more sparkle. Alright, so that pretty much sums up all the decorating. Now it's time for the final reveal.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you.
Alright, so thank you for decorating with me, guys. If you like this video and would like to see similar content, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. And let me know your thoughts. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
My brothers flew